Are you seeing errors created by the Fveapi.dll? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. I'll guide you through a professional system-level restoration. Before we dive into the Fveapi troubleshooting, a resource for system environment optimization is available below. This DLL file is the Windows Full Volume Encryption API library. It provides the programming interface for managing BitLocker Drive Encryption, allowing system tools to encrypt, decrypt, and manage security keys for disk volumes. Understanding the file's role is a great start. Now let's look at replacing it. This is a critical Windows system integrity issue. You should run the system file checker by opening Command Prompt as an administrator and executing sfc/scan now, allowing Windows to automatically repair core architecture files, like the Fveapi.dll. If the error persists despite the new library files, we must verify if a simple synchronization conflict is preventing the file from loading. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the Fveapi file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. I want to share a quick best practice that will help you avoid security complications in the future. Avoid the trap of free file repositories for the Fveapi.dll, as these platforms are frequently used to spread persistent browser hijackers and adware. To ensure your environment stays properly configured, a professional diagnostic can help verify that your library references remain intact. To help prevent productivity interruptions, the diagnostic tool below provides informational guidance on keeping the Fveapi synchronized. If this diagnostic guide saved you time launching the Fveapi today, please show your support by liking the video and subscribing for more expert-level troubleshooting.